Yo, what's up?
Yo,
Hey, what's up?
we're going to take pictures by the tracks. My time.
Yeah, I'm down. What time should I be there?
Do 9 o'clock.
Alright, I'll see you there.
Alright, see you, mate.
Bye.
They love the mad niggas in the bank, son. What happened? They love the mad niggas when I was locked up. Let's just think about your wife. It is what it is. Cause me and her gonna have words. That's my local, man.
We're taking pictures with cameras.
Yeah. All right.
Junior.
Hey, look, man, we're just out here shooting, you really gotta put the work in to get the right shot. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if Tyrus is gonna make it out of here alive, but all that matters is that we're getting the shot.
Cameraman 1, Cameraman 2, Cameraman 3, Gabe Peloso. 2 hours of shooting, did we even get the keeper?
I think we got a few keepers actually, huh? Yeah, I think we got a few good ones. So check out the gram at Tyrus Frost, at Erica Line, at T Gons.
Yeah, we got some goodies.
Gonzo.
Got T Gonzo.
Gonzo.
T Gons White.
T Gonzo. Oh?
T-Gons. Oh.
Tim, let us see.